Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. I'm quite excited about this. This is a US made Hickok Model 18 signal generator dating from about 1939, I understand. It's really pretty, isn't it? Absolutely lovely. Navy blue paint here and this silver sort of, I don't know if that's the natural colour of the aluminium panel, just this, it's just beautiful. And like a navy cabinet, absolutely beautiful. I love these meters. So I bought it recently. I've no idea whether it works or not. It's obviously 110 volts. Our mains is 240 volts, so I've not really wanted to test it so far. I've got a 110 volt isolation transformer powering the Sancor here, but that's transistorized and this is valves, and I don't think the isolation transformer for the Sancor is quite man enough to do a job powering this. I can, or I should really use an isolation transformer obviously on a signal generator. The trouble is getting hold of a 110 volt isolation transformer. It's not easy. I can get hold of quite easily one of the ones they use for building sites, the big yellow ones that the guys use to power their power tools from, but they're like 3.5 kVA, and I just want something about 300 VA or something. But we'll see. There's a couple of US Air Force bases around here. When they go home, sometimes they sell off some of their gear. But this is not something I'd really want to power up with an auto transformer. So yeah, it's a very pretty little thing. It goes from I believe 100 kilocycles up to 30 meg. Let's have a look. Yeah, there you go, 100 kilocycles, and it's on a rotating dial. I'll open it up in a minute and have a look inside. I've not done so yet, and I'm not even sure it works actually. So yeah, it goes up to 30 meg up the top there. And it's got a decibel meter there. Not quite sure what that's for yet. It's got facility here to using the AC volts, I guess, to sorry, the AC frequency to sweep your oscilloscope. So obviously that would be 60 Hertz in the US, 50 Hertz here. AF and RF controls there. Oh, well, sorry, that's RF, isn't it? 0 to 10 kilocycles AF frequency. It's got FM on it. Pure RF and modulated RF. Obviously an output attenuator. Or the fine control, that's the attenuator, isn't it? So I'm not really sure what, especially this, I'm not sure what this decibel function does yet, and what these connections are for here. And it's got some funny connections here. You wonder why they didn't use the same connections for everything. But a nice reassuring click for that. Let's hope when it does get some power it'll work. But I just love the detail on here, these little sine wave things on either side, and obviously there's your IF peak little symbol there. Really nice. I've got the manual for it. Someone kindly uploaded it to a website, and where would we be without all these people? And it's a very comprehensive manual. Not only does it go through the circuit of the signal generator here, it shows you how to align radios, and it's got a circuit diagram here to show you with various points on it to show you where to connect your signal generator. And further on it's got what you should see on a scope. Very So it connections for visual alignment. Very good. I noticed they're called oscillographs and not oscilloscopes. Yeah, very comprehensive manual. But anyway, let's open it up and have a look. I notice when I try and move that, it doesn't want to move, but I can hear something moving inside. So whether the wave change selector behind here is jammed or something, I don't know. And this is all squeaky, and yeah, and that needs tightening up. But let's just have a dig in. So here's the inside. Someone's been in here. This has obviously been used in the UK because those are UK capacitors, or British capacitors. Well, duh, it even says British made. So someone's been in here before, so I assume it's been working. These are what are these, sort of, I should be able to get the date off these. Someone's even built a little frame here, look. So I assume it was working till fairly recently. Well, when I say working, it was obviously working in the 60s, let's say. A 1V valve, you don't see those over here. And what's this? Some sort of thing there. And that's, yeah, see that box is moving. I'll need to strip the front panel off that and see why that's doing that. Look at these meters, that's lovely. So is this, oh, where's that squeaking down there? Oh, it's got a big flywheel on it or something. Oh no, that's the, look, that must be where, it must be turning up under there and catching on the inside of this drum and turning it. That must be a hollow drum. Turning a tuning capacitor. 6K7. It's a quality built bit of gear, isn't it? Can't believe this is actually as old as it is. So, anyway, let's have a look at the bottom. It's actually, that just moved then. It's actually reasonably heavy. Just turn it over. Let's have a look. Excuse me. Right, yeah, someone over here has had a good old go at this. Every single capacitor's been changed. Makes me wonder if they've changed the it must be the audio output transformer. Makes me wonder if they've changed this transformer as well. Whether that's a 240 volt transformer. Ooh. But, made in England, yeah, someone's radio spares. Look at that, so it's dropping some fair old watts there. I'll have to, some more bodgery going on there. Where's that? Oh no, that's trimmers. Very interesting. I wonder if this is, I wonder if someone has put a new transformer in it. I'll have to dig about and have a find out. Anyway, thanks for turn it over on its side. Better. Yeah, thanks for sharing this first look with me. What's this? Oh, handy. Oh, that's the power switch. Curious. Curious hearing. It's been a bit of a bod job, isn't it? Oh, just bleh, horrible. Would have thought if this was repaired by a TV and repairman. Oh, that's a isolated can in there. If I'd have thought this, you know, one would have thought that if this had been done by a repairman, it would have been made a slightly better job of. Look at that. Ugh. Look at that. Well, I see I've got my work cut out of me here. To one side, I guess that went to the other side. Yeah, because these would be the main suppression capacitors. So that's, I'm guessing that's neutral and that's live. Oh, sorry, out of focus. Quick focus. There we go. Anyway, that's enough waffling. As I say, thanks for sharing this first look at a Hickok Model 18 signal generator. I wouldn't mind finding out if anyone's viewing this and has got an original one. I wouldn't mind seeing it. Thanks. Bye bye.